Taurians, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of January 2021. And this is your generic reading. We will cover all the areas of your life. And after this, we will be posting the relationship video as well, which will be only around your relationship area. And while we are flipping the cards for you, I would like to share my contact numbers with you so that in case you want to get your personalized reading done with me, you can reach out to me easily. You can reach me on 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlighttarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website www.blossomlighttarot.com. Okay, so let's get ahead and see how are the vibrations for you in the month of January 2021, Taurians, and what exactly can you expect from this month, Taurians. Okay, alright. I have that smile and I have a reason for that. So let's get ahead. The very first week, as usual, as we start our reading with the theme of the month card, so here is the card. The card talks about and says and tells you wait for winters. And I'm sure during 2020, during all those months, you would have seen a few cards which were like close to the last quarter of 2020, which would have been October, November, or December, wherein you would have seen this card one earlier also. And why this card would have come here is that now the time is coming. January, February is the time wherein you can actually implement your wishes, or whatever you want to do in life, whatever plans you were holding on to, you can actually start initiating them, because the time has come for you. And your manifestation powers will be at its peak in the month of January. So whatever you want to do for yourself, pray and pray with open heart, and you will receive positive results, Taurians. So this is a beautiful time which is coming your way. And I somehow feel that a lot of signs, when I have done the relationship videos already, and then those are in the process of upload, a lot of signs are improving from 2020. So looks like the 20 whatever it was, 21 is going to be a better month, better off month from in comparison to 2020 for a couple of signs, a lot of signs, specifically Aries. I can certainly say, because you've already seen the video. Okay, moving ahead to the very first week of January 2021, and what does this card say? It talks about higher studies. If you wanted to apply for something, you wanted to go for some competitive exams, you wanted to apply for a career enhancement, or you wanted to talk to your boss about your promotion or something, right time, good time, go ahead, do that. Time is very precious and very, very important. It is very favorable also, so you will get positive results in this month. Your emotional level will be something which will be reaching at a level where you will be at an emotional stability phase. So I will say that a lot of you would not want to move out of this, don't want to change anything in your life. So whatever you are doing right now, whatever is something what you are well, what are you doing right now, whatever you want to do in life right now, I will say that in emotional life, in your personal life, you would want to stabilize things, and you would not want to take any chances, like taking any risk in your personal life. So stability is something which is certainly there in your cards, and this stability will not only be desiring stability in life, but then also maintaining stability in your life, so without any changes. So it's like you don't want to take any risks in January 2021, Taurian. So beautiful energy, there's nothing wrong in that, because the second week of your month, which is your January 2020, starting from 8th of January to 14th of January, is something. This month is again talking about financial stability. So if I say the first week wherein it talked about changes in your life, it talked about improvement in your life. I think from that perspective, this week is also going to give you very, very desired results. So second week is also something which is talking about stability in life. So if you were due for promotion, this month will give you that promotion. Financial benefits are certainly there, because Pentacle family has appeared in your reading, and it has appeared quite frequently in this reading right now. So Pentacle says that stability is coming your way financially. As I said, the first week was talking about some kind of a promotion, career enhancement. Second week also has the similar energies. Also, if you were working on a project and you were working towards something to achieve, you will get desired results very, very soon. You are on the right path, Taurian. So that's a beautiful energy from that perspective. Your life will be moving towards, your relationships will be moving towards a passionate area or passionate path. That's important. Third week is very, very positive for the people who are looking to start new relationships, or they want to start something new in career. They want to leave job, start a business. They want to leave business and get into a job. This month, this third week of the month is something which is giving you start in both the areas of life. So this week will give you start. This week will give you new beginnings in life. Be it your, look at the color of the card, looks beautiful. Okay, so it is giving you new beginnings. Both the aces have appeared in your reading and talking about a new start. Unexpected gains are there in the card. So unexpected financial gains are also there in card. You wouldn't have thought that this property will give you this kind of a result, or the job where you were in right now, you were not expecting a promotion, but you suddenly get that. So these are unexpected results, unexpected positivity which is coming your way, and it is going to make you blossom like our channel. So that's certainly happening. Third week is all about new beginnings, giving a new start to your life, giving a new start to your emotions. Emotional level will be at its peak in the month of January, third week. So you will be very emotional. And, my father says one thing always, that don't ever take decisions when you are too emotional, or you are you are emotional, too emotional, or maybe you are too happy both the time. So if you're very sad or if you're very, very happy, both in both the scenarios, don't take any decision. Okay, and I will suggest you the same, since you will be prone to weak emotions, and you will be filled with too much emotions in the third week of January. Refrain yourself from taking any kind of a emotional or any kind of a decision making in the month of January, third week categorically. um, Somehow you are going to be keeping your hands very, fist very tight when it comes to giving money to people. So now you are not in mood of supporting people who borrow money from you. Maybe you've had a bad experience in past, but the card also suggests the same, that keep your money with you. You might face some opposition also from people, because you have been, like a giving, your nature has been like a giving kind of a nature in past, but then this month doesn't allow you to do that and doesn't suggest you also to do that. So please take care of your finances, please take care of yourself. And I would also want to tell you that no matter how many people are against you in the month of January, hold your grounds. Stay on to your decisions, what you have thought and what you really want to do in life, because uh, end of the day you will turn out to be like a winner, and then your decision will be respected by people around you. So stay strong. Okay, I've just flipped one card down. I'm taking a card out from the deck to have an answer to your relationship area in the month of January. It is a generic reading, and not all the areas will resonate with all of you. Few areas. Pick up the energies wherever it resonates with you, and then apply that in your life. Okay. You have what it takes. So I don't think that you lack anything. Um, Always follow. It is a very strong message, and please listen to it very carefully. Follow your heart and decisions of your heart only when it is not broken. So if you are heartbroken, don't listen to your heart at that time, because it is not in a condition of giving you the right kind of suggestions. But then if you are strong and you want to take an advice and you're not in that phase, please ask your heart before taking any decision in life. So this is what the decision turns out to be. And there is no such scar in life, emotional, which cannot be recovered or cannot be mended. You just have to put in little extra efforts there. If you are heartbroken and you are not in that state of mind right now to fall in a relationship, then fall for yourself, okay, and heal yourself with your own love, Taurians. This is what it is for you in the month of January 2021. If you ask me precisely how the month is going to be, how exactly do I really look at it? I look at it from the perspective that this month is full of opportunities. Financially, it is going to be a great month. It will give you a lot of help. Refrain yourself from giving money to people, because it is not a suitable time, favorable time to actually give money, lend money to people. Not really a nice time. So please refrain yourself. And I think you are already working on the healing of yourself, and this is why the angels are also blessing you at the same time. They are supporting your efforts, and they want you to recover recover as soon as possible, Taurians. So work on yourself, take care. We'll be back with your relationship reading shortly, very soon. And God bless you and have fun. Happy New Year.